What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin guys and of course also into some new altcoins and existing altcoins because everything is pumping today. We have a massive bounce guys as expected. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I update you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space. I'm always updating you whatever I see in the crypto space, for example, new upcoming cryptos, whatever trades I'm taking, and of course also wherever I'm trading Bitcoin and altcoins. And remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just showing you my own opinions and of course also price predictions here for all coins, especially when it comes to new cryptos that I'm buying up like Bitcoin Hyper, Pepe Node and so on. We have a bunch of new coins that are upcoming guys, and that's why we're going to have a look into them quickly. And very important right now, of course, I'm doing some scalp trading. I'm always going a bit long and short, especially here in the immediate short term, but I think that the big move to the upside will be incoming very soon. So always do your own research as well, especially if you're trading with leverage guys, for example over on Bybit, Fimex and so on. Sign up links to all exchanges that I'm also recommending and using, like Bybit, Fimex and so on, you can find here in the video description. So go and sign up. Of course, no financial advice, but if you want to be following my trades, then of course you can do that. And right now Bitcoin is bouncing, of course, and also pumping nicely. I told you guys that since we had here this breakout to the upside from this falling broadening wedge, I was bullish for Bitcoin that over a certain amount of time we're going to slowly reach here the next major resistance at around 118k, and then we're going to see if we're going to see a monster altcoin season or not. And of course also big new all-time highs for Bitcoin as well, because I am still bullish, especially because of the higher time frames. Also time-wise, we should expect that cycle top of Bitcoin somewhere at the end of this year and not right now. That's why I believe that the cycle top is not in yet, and that we're gonna see much more pushes to the upside here, at least in my opinion. And you can see that Bitcoin yesterday had a daily close right above 112k. So I wouldn't call this confirmed yet because of yesterday, but if today we're going to close above 112k, I'm pretty confident that here we're going to move towards $118,000 in the next coming days and weeks. Also over on the weekly time frame, we are seeing this nice bounce out of the median line of the candle channel, so perfectly bouncing from it. And also here I'm hoping or expecting that Bitcoin will again continue here the bull run straight away and push above $118,000, because this is really now a very big resistance that again needs to get broken here at $118,000, because also here in the past we had problems to push above this yellow trend line, which is of course coming from the previous bull run. Because here if you go into the lines chart, you can see that Bitcoin in the previous bull run never had one single weekly close above this resistance trend line. Although here we touched it, we crashed down to the bottom line here, then we had a big bounce, and now for the first time you can see that we had a couple of weeks ago a big breakout to the upside, but unfortunately we retraced back here into this pattern. And now of course the big question is what happens here once we again touch it at around $118,000. If we break above, I'm pretty confident that we're going to see then immediately new all-time highs. So I remain bullish guys, and of course also with Bitcoin you can see that all the altcoins are also pumping nicely. Ethereum here plus Tron plus Solana plus 2%, the ordinals. We have some coins like Pepe or Hyperliquid, Fart coin pushing higher and higher. Also here Hyperliquid, you can see new all-time highs are created now. Also this coin very bullish. I don't own any more Hyperliquid guys, but you can see that those coins, especially those new cryptos that launched in this bull run, they are doing pretty well. And that's why I remain very bullish for the crypto space. And also here, based on the Bitcoin dominance, I told you that once we drop below the 100 weekly moving average here, after this little bounce that we are seeing right now, I'm pretty confident that we're going to see a big altcoin season. But first, I think that Bitcoin will have here a little bounce before coming back down. I think the altcoin season is inevitable, guys, and that's why currently I am buying, of course, more altcoins as well, and also new low market cap coins, because we have a bunch of new coins upcoming, like Bitcoin Hyper, very hyped right now, or Pepe Node. You can see that this one here is raising almost 15 millions. Also, it is mentioned in different crypto websites why Bitcoin Hyper is currently so hyped. And I also bought into Bitcoin Hyper, of course. This is unlocking basically the potential of Bitcoin. And also here we have basically a new coin that is getting launched freshly out on exchanges. And that's why I'm taking the chance here, and I'm buying into this coin as well. If you want to be following me, guys, then of course you're going to find the link here in the video description for Bitcoin Hyper and also the other coins that I bought Those are new cryptos that are upcoming, so we will see what happens, guys. Of course, not all of them can go to the moon, but I like some of them, especially Pepe Node and Bitcoin Hyper. This is a new layer 2 built on Solana but for the Bitcoin chain. And then we also have, of course, Pepe Node, which is going to be a new Pepe themed game where we can basically, with those coins here, buy upgrade facilities here. So buy miners. You can go here to the game itself, how this is going to look like. We can buy those miners and then let it mine. And then basically you always come back, you buy more miners, you let them mine, and then you will get airdrops in form of meme coins like Pepe, Fart coin, and so on, Dogecoin. And of course also their own in-game token, which is Pepe Node. So very nice game that is upcoming, guys. I bought into the coin because I want to play this since day one. And also right now, as you can see, they are reaching almost 1 million. So this one also is going viral right now. More and more people are jumping on board, and all the early investors, as you know, guys, are getting those high staking rewards. So everyone that is buying up very early, you can buy those tokens here also with your DeFi wallet. Just click here, buy with crypto, connect the DeFi wallet of your choice, like MetaMask. I'm using MetaMask normally. Just click here, OK, to connect to the website, and then you can buy in with different cryptos like Ethereum, stable coins, BNB, and so on. And I am currently staking those coins. So if you buy here, you just click buy and stake for 1,525% rewards, and then your coins will go automatically into the staking mechanism. So they will go then automatically here into staking, and you can see that the amount of tokens that I bought, I have it already back almost, just because of the high API in a few days. So imagine if this one will take place for the next coming weeks to come out, then of course right now we can accumulate, we can buy in and then accumulate more and more until launch. This is how I'm playing those new launches. I'm always buying straight away whenever the API is so high that I can put, for example, $100 or $200, $1,000 in it, stake it, and then accumulate more and more coins. This is how I am doing and how I am playing that. And if you also want to do that, guys, then of course feel free to follow me. The links are, of course, here in the video description right here. Alright, guys, that's it for now. I keep you updated, of course. I have discovered also some other new cryptos that are upcoming, so I keep you updated, and always check the list here, guys, because I always update the list here in all latest videos. So be subscribed here. We're gonna do also a nice $100 giveaway once we reach 2,000 subscribers. So thank you very much for your great support, guys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.